In front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then hit this plus at the top right one and manage your alarm however you want to. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Now, if you want to use this alarm only once, you can hit the switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing to get rid of it after you won't need it anymore. If you want to use it more than once, hit repeat and pick days of the week. Save them by tapping on done. Now hit alarm sound. Choose add new here to pick any song from your smartphone or select one of those sounds. Go back again, hit label to name it and done to save its name. Then hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take. Turn on or off vibrations thanks to this switcher. And finally use this check mark at the top right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine is here. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and tap on the check mark. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. And to delete it, simply hold it and tap on delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!